Milk, the health drink to the nation, full of protein, calcium, vitamins, magnesium, potassium, and much more. Milk touches our lives every time, every day. And that is exactly what Benny Impex Private Limited wants to do, to play a part in every Indian home. Benny Impex, working in close association with National Dairy Development Board and Mother Dairy, remains the undisputed leader in India in the field of milk analysis. Benny Impex is marketing and commissioning analyzer-based automatic milk collection systems and is presently the solution provider supplying analyzer-based AMCU to Mother Dairy and NDDB for their NGC operation. Benny Impex has over 500 working installations of AMCU RMRD spread all over India and has installed over 400 complete AMCU systems for Mother Dairy in the last 1.5 years. Jupiter Glass Works is also manufacturing kits for detection of adulteration in milk under license from NDDB. They are available in 3 sizes: large, medium, and small for usage by dairies and consumers respectively. Since last 14 years, Benny Impex has been commissioning automatic milk analyzers and are sole authorized representatives in India for Funke Dr. N. Gerber GmbH Germany for their brand Funke Gerber. They are also sole authorized representatives for Eon Trading LLC Bulgaria for their brand Eco Milk Ultra. They are global leaders in the field of milk testing. Benny Impex Private Limited, and amalgamation of technology and vision to make them into innovations, Benny Impex, a part of Jupiter Group. The Jupiter Group, founded in 1966, is the pioneer in laboratory equipment for milk analysis in India. The group has over the years contributed significantly to the progress of the dairy industry and the adoption of new technologies in India by offering state-of-the-art products in the ever-expanding field of dairy science. The scope of the activities is global. Our brands, Benny and Jupiter, are well known in the Indian dairy industry and have built a solid reputation, trust and goodwill over the last 42 years. Let us have a quick look at our journey so far. Jupiter Group specializes in implementing comprehensive solutions, employing latest technologies. As partners, we offer solutions along with alternatives and consultation on modernization.
Jupiter Group, which comprises of Jupiter Glassworks and Benny Impex Private Limited, are fully committed towards complete customer satisfaction through quality processes. We believe that the Jupiter Group is uniquely placed to deliver high quality solutions at a low total cost of ownership. With our vast experience and wide range of products, we offer value for money to our customers in providing development, enhancement, maintenance, and moreover support services across geographical areas. I would explain this unique value proposition like this. A, we have the flexibility and vision to align with the business model and strategy of our customers and back it with Jupiter Group's proven process and delivery capabilities. B, with more than 40 years of experience in the dairy industry and our partnership with world leaders in dairy quality control business, we are equipped to exploit the best state-of-the-art technologies available for the benefit of automation of all processes of milk collection, be it at village level, bulk milk coolers, chilling centers, or dairy docks. We have established processes and practices that monitor, assimilate, and disseminate technology changes and assist project teams. And within the organization, we are committed at all levels to realize the vision and goals, not only for ourselves, but also for our client organizations. Quality is imbibed in every mesh of our company, be it production, packing, sales, or after-sales services. We aim to achieve customer satisfaction by providing practical solutions that fulfill customer needs. We conceive and develop softwares that provide a competitive edge to our customer business, yet give them complete flexibility to adopt different business models. We have stringent checkpoints at each level of our production and delivery process to ensure highest quality levels. It is a result of these commitments that we are exporting Vitrometers to all major developed milk producing countries across the globe through our German partners Funke Gerber, who invented the Gerber process over 100 years ago. It is our endeavor to be part of India's progress. India is already the world's largest producer of milk. Our goal is to make India the world's largest milk producer with the best quality milk.
With the best quality milk, we want to ensure that pure, fresh, hygienic milk reaches every human every day.